Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come and record a tutorial on how to tie the velvet turban head wrap that I sell on my boutique store. I wore it this weekend and a few people actually asked me about how to tie it. So here's a tutorial about 2 different ways you can tie it, and then a little variety of how to tie it if you do not have that much hair. So I'll start with that. All right, let's go ahead and start with the one if you do not have hair or if you don't have that much hair. So because I have hair, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck my hair in to the back by doing this. I'm putting the bun. Actually, I'm gonna just do it once so that way I can kind of like lay it flat around like this. All right. What you want to do is get a t-shirt, or if you have one of those bun stuffings, like they look like a donut, or if you have stockings or pantyhose, you can cut them up and roll it into a donut. So what you'll do is, if you don't have that, you roll your t-shirt up. I go ahead and make my t-shirt into a donut, tuck it in like that. Place it on your head, place it wherever you want the top of the turban wrap to be. So what you're gonna do is gonna wrap, find a scarf or a cloth that you wanna use as your base wrap. Oops, damn it. Let's try that again, okay? So, place it on your head. And you will grab your scarf, your shirt, whatever you want to use as your base wrap. You'll grab it and you gently place that over the bun. All right, let's try one. Okay. Bear with me for a second while I make sure this is equal on both sides and that my bun is staying put. Okay. And remember, I'm tying this as if I don't have any hair, which is why I'm stuffing it on the top. So you then cross the head wrap you have. You cross this, and you want to bring this over top of it. You tuck the ends in somewhere. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, this is just the under layer. This is our base. All right, so then you grab the turban. This is what it looks like. Mine has a stain on it because I had this gym head wrap on underneath it to try to save my edges, and the dye from the headband bled through this. So ignore that. Ignore the stain you see on here. I've had this for like 3 years and never stained, but that thing stained my bed sheets and everything. I didn't even think about it yesterday when I was putting on my head again. I probably end up having to throw it away because if it's sweating and the dye is getting on my edges, that's probably why my edges are thinning out right now. And I never connected the dot to just now. All right, so you put this over the top of your head. Like that. You figure out if you want this part in the center or to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the center right now. But this is the time to shift it if you don't want it in the center. So what I'm gonna do is, I usually bring this to the front. I'm gonna intentionally use it to cover the stains that I have. So you just wrap it around like that. And you tuck it in, wherever it ends at, you can go ahead and tuck it in right there. This is pretty secure, nothing is gonna fall off. And you can use your fingers to kind of mold. Use your fingers to kind of mold your head wrap lift it up a bit, and glaze some edges if you choose to, okay? Put some earrings on for you guys so you guys can kind of get the effect of the look. Yes, I'm using clip-ons because I don't feel like doing all the extra work right now. So this is what you'll have. My back probably looks a little bulky because you know I tucked in my hair. Just to show y'all how to stuff it. That's what you have if you do not have enough hair or you don't have any hair at all. You will do that. The more bun-like stuff you stuff it with, the higher you can get it, okay? So that's how to get it real tall. If you're the person that wants to be dramatic and get it tall and, you know, add to your flavor of your style, that's how you will achieve that. So next, I'm gonna show you how to tie it if you have enough hair to put your hair up, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. Place your ponytail where you want the length of your turban wrap to be. So I want mine centered. I'm trying to put my ponytail centered. My hair is dry, I need to spray this joint. So again, I don't want no tight bun. I don't do anything tight on my hair. You don't need a base this time unless you want to put a silk bonnet or something on, but I'll be careful with silk because you know silk will slide. But if you want to put some type of silk protecting around your edges, you can, but this doesn't do anything to damage your edges. There's no friction there. So you're free to just put it on directly on your head, which is what I'm going to do. Put it directly on my head. And then I will start to wrap this around. And then you'll find somewhere to tuck this. Light tuck, because you don't need to do anything special to this. Wherever it ends at, it'll still look good. So that's that. If I wanted this bigger, I would stuff my hair. But I have enough and I'm fine with it being like this. I don't want it too big. So that's how you would do it. This is how it looks in the back, the side, the other side. So now I'm gonna show you if you wanna wear your hair out and another way to wear this turban that's not high top. I usually just go ahead and take this off. So, to wear with your hair out, I'll show you. Okay, go ahead and place your hair however you would like it. So that's what I'm doing now. And then put the turban on your head like so. Remind me of like a Christmas stockings or something. It's funny. Okay, so when you have the turban like that, this time you'll be going from the back to the front. So, let me put more on my head. All right. This is pretty long, so you have it like that, and you will literally just wrap it around like this. And you can still push it up. All right. Still push it up, and that's what it is. That's what you'll have. This will allow you to wear like more dangling longer earrings, or if you want to keep with your studs, you can. No need to wear no clip-ons because it won't show if you have your hair on, but that's just me. This is what the back look like. Okay. The side and the other side. So now let me show you how it will be if you want to tuck the hair in. If you have hair and you want to tuck it in. If you don't have hair and you want to wear it low, you just do the same step without any hair. All right, you have hair, you want to tuck it in. Go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail. And then we're gonna kind of tuck this ponytail in under a little bit. Or you can do it when you start your wrapping. But I go ahead and do it now. It's not gonna be too much of a tuck. But there we go. Then you will place the turban on your head over the entire hair that you have in the back. My earring don't fail, y'all. Place it on there like that. Okay. Go ahead and fix the front if you need to. All right. And again, you'll be starting from the back. Wrap it around. And tuck it in like that. I'm gonna go ahead and shift this up. You can always shift stuff up when you need to. All right. Tuck in whatever you want to tuck in more. Glaze some edges down, you feel me? Okay. Let me grab my earring. Put your little earring back on. Crack myself up. All right, you got your earring on, so that is it. This is it if you want to tuck your hair in, or if you don't have any hair, you still tie it the same way, just like the first time. All right, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to check out Day to Day Boutique on Instagram.